What is up, accurate traders? This is Muya, the best volatility indices trader, and in this video we are going to talk about the 99.99% accurate trading strategy that you see right here. As you can see, we are in profit on almost all the trades that we took, including our boom and crash. So I was mostly trading volatility indices with this strategy, and I'm going to show you guys how I managed to get these entries and how you can also try and get these beautiful entries. So we're going to pick uh, charts to look at and analyze, and make sure that you watch up until the end so that you can see the conditions for the strategy and how exactly it works. If you have not been following me yet, please make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post a video like this. So we're going to start off with an interesting one. We're going to start off with V100. I know most of you guys do enjoy trading V100, and we've got a nice setup going on right here, a nice trade that is in profit, and I'm going to show you guys how we managed to pick up this trade. So first of all, we need to set up the strategy, and we're going to need the following indicators. First indicator will be a moving average, and it will have the following properties. The period will be 14, the shift will be 0, the method will be exponential, apply to close. There are no levels on this indicator, and on visualization, please make sure that you allow it to be on all time frames, and that applies for all the indicators that we're going to install. And then on your style, please make sure that you change this color to a green color, and remember these colors because I'm going to be referring them during this video. Okay, so once you're done, you just simply click done, and as you can see, we now have that green line running across our chart. The next indicator that we'll need is again a moving average. So we'll go back again to our indicator section, choose moving average. The only thing that is going to change right now is your period. We're going to change this period to 50. Everything else remains the same, and of course we'll change the style to put this red color. And then you click done, and now you can see that red moving average running across our charts. The next indicator we need is a stochastic oscillator, and this is going to help us with identifying the momentum of the market whenever we want to place a trade. So going on our stochastic, these are the properties that it should have: a percentage K period of 1, a percentage T period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of low / high, a method of simple. And then on your levels, we're going to have two levels. We're going to have our buy zone as our level 20 and our sell zone as our level 80. Okay, so two levels, level 20 and level 80. And once you're done, you simply click on done. And please take note of the styling on this stochastic oscillator. The main and the signal should both have the same color as your background color on your chart. So if you have a white background on your chart, make sure that it's white. If you have a black background on your chart, make sure that it is black. Once you're done, you simply click done, and as you can see, we now have an indicator window 1 down below. Now, the final indicator that you need is going to go under our indicator window 1, and this is going to be a moving average, but the period is going to change to 10. Everything else remains the same, and I'm also going to change the color to black. And once I'm done, I'll simply click on done, and as you can see, we now have the full strategy installed. Now, what's left is basically understanding how it works, when to buy, when to sell, and let's get right into it. And then we'll look at other trades that we took that are in profit and where we made some mistakes when trading. So going back to our charts, I'm going to explain how you come up with a trade setup and how you actually execute that trade. So I enjoy to start from my 1 hour time frame because I really want to get a clear picture of where the market is going and where the market is coming from. So the first thing that you need to get is the momentum of the market. How do you identify that? The position of this black line here tells you the momentum of the market. This black line that you see down here is the one that shows you the momentum. So right now we can see that there was a bullish momentum for a while, and it kept on going and going and going. But when it got to our level 80, which is our sell zone, we know that the bullish momentum is now being exhausted. So we expect to see something right there. So this is our first condition, having this black line in our sell zone. Second thing is you want to see a break of market structure. Now, as you can see, all along candlesticks were above your green line right here. We're trading above your green line, we're trading above our green line. But the moment we start to see candlesticks crossing to be below, now we start to see that there has been a break in the market structure, right? There has been a break in the market structure right here. Why? Because we are failing to keep going up and up, and we are now breaking our green line, going below it. So that's the second condition. And now you need to confirm that trade with what we call a golden cross. Now you can find it either in your 30-minute time frame or even lower in your 15-minute time frame. And as you can see right here, we did receive our golden cross. If you go to a 5-minute time frame, you may actually see that the golden cross came way earlier around this stage and would have managed to enter your beautiful sale. So we're actually late on this trade, but nonetheless we are deep in profit right now, and that's how you place a sell trade. Okay, let's take a look at another scenario, maybe V75. I know you guys do enjoy V75. Now with V75, I used my 4-hour time frame and also my daily time frame. So I was analyzing on very high time frames because I know V75 is not easy to trade. I wanted to really get my trades, so I did the same concept for a sell that I just explained, and as you can see, we managed to get that trade. I actually initially entered this trade right here, took some profit at this stage, and re-entered again. So still using the same concept on selling. This time I waited for all my conditions to be met in my 1-hour time frame. That is the first thing I noticed, was this black line being in my sell zone like that. Second thing was a break of market structure, whereby I started to see my candlesticks. Now, as you can see, candlesticks were all above the green line, but now I would now see them below this green line. So I could see that there is a break of market structure. The previous market structure, this bullish market structure, was being broken right here. So I knew my sell was closed, and to put it all together, we had this golden cross, whereby the green line crossed with the red line, going below the red line. Remember, our EMA 50, which is the red line, is also our trend line. So whenever you see the average price or the green line going below, or candlesticks going below now that red line, it means you are now in a bearish trend. So that's when we entered the first sell and actually re-entered because there was still momentum. This black line here was still around this stage, and I could see that there was still more momentum to even go down. I think I posted this trade in our VIP signals group, and we managed to trade all the way down to that stage. I think it was the whole day. Can you see that we have these two period separators that separates the days? We started off on this day, ended off on the next day. Now imagine how much profit that is if you're trading V75. Okay, but nonetheless, let's take a look maybe at V75 1S as well and see if you can get an opportunity to buy. I don't remember which one was in a buy trade, or I do have sells only. But let me just look for buy trades maybe on V75 and see. Okay, so if you want to enter into a buy trade on V75, the same concept applies. The first thing is you want to monitor this momentum. You can see it's dying down. Sell momentum is dying down. We're getting into our buy zone right there. That's the first thing. Second thing, I want to see candlesticks showing you a break of market structure by crossing to be above that green line. And as you can see, we crossed to be above the green line. That was supposed to be the second condition. Now let's check on this trade in the 30-minute time frame and look for the golden cross. And as you can see, the golden cross was right there in your 30-minute time frame, so close. I'm sure in our 15-minute time frame again, it was even closer. Yes, in our 15-minute time frame, it was right on that break of market structure. So you could have immediately entered your trade right on the break of market structure right there. Can you see that? So the moment we saw that break of market structure, you could have actually entered that trade and entered into a buy trade up to this stage. And again, when you get to this stage, you were supposed to pick up the sell trade that I was in right here. So you see that trading actually becomes very easy if you can see these cycles. You know that this is the end of this cycle and this is the beginning of another. It'll be easier for you to track these trades. That's why we have a VIP signals group. It's easier for us to trade knowing the previous trend. If the previous trend was a sell, we know that the next day we're definitely going to be in a buy. So it becomes much easier to trade. And actually, it becomes easier if you are trading fewer indices or fewer pairs, because you can now follow all their cycles and be able to predict them easily. Okay. Now, I'll be posting more setups in our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. Just click the link and it will take you straight to that Telegram channel. There are over 8,000 traders in that group, and I think it's a good trading community for you if you're interested in volatility indices, boom and crash, and even currencies. We're actually going to add more on prop firms. So if you want to get funded, I'm sure I'll be posting stuff on that in that group. So feel free to join it. It's completely free to join again. Just click the link and you'll be able to join for free. And as you guys know, on each and every video, I do give away a free spot in my VIP signals group. And for you to be able to win that, make sure that you are a subscriber, you like this video, and you leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be picking a winner from the comment section, but you must be a subscriber. And in this video, our winner, I'm going to put the comment right here on the screen. And congratulations, you've won yourself a free spot in our VIP signals, which means you'll be able to trade with us these beautiful trades. I know you guys want me to talk about crash right now, but we are recovering from a very big profit. As you can see, we were in profit, but now it's turning. But I still know that we are going down, so I'm going to hold this for a while. And which other pair did we not discuss? Okay, V10. V10, we're in a sell. We were using just our 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we were in a sell zone and break of market structure. The golden cross is right there. We're a little bit late on that trade, but we know that we're going to be pushing down. I don't know up until which stage, but we are in profit right now, so we are good and we can actually close our trades if need be. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Until next time.